Hi there, and welcome to Skartio. Today, we're going to learn how to define brands on your e-commerce website. Brands help shoppers quickly find familiar products, leading to a smoother experience and better sales. To get started, open the Catalogue main menu, then go to the Product submenu. In the sidebar, click on the Brand tab. This opens the Brand section. Now let's walk through how to create a new brand for your store. Click the Add Brand button to open the Add Brand form. Enter the brand name, a unique alias, and a short description. Once you've filled everything out, click Add. And that's it. You've successfully added a new brand to your platform. We hope this made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.